This is why it's important to get a lemon law attorney in your specific state where you bought the vehicle. My name is Lior Katz, and I'm a California lemon law attorney, and I assist consumers all over California with the lemon law claims. Each state in the United States has a different set of lemon law that apply to that specific state. That means the California lemon attorneys who specialize in California lemon law will not be the right people to choose to handle a lemon law claim in New York, for example, or in Nevada, or in Arizona. You want to make sure you get an attorney that's qualified to practice law in your state and knows your state-specific laws regarding lemon law. Again, why is that important? Because when you know state-specific laws, you know how to navigate the system. Each state has its own lemon laws, and they have different requirements for lemon law. Some states require you to possess the vehicle for a certain period of time before you can initiate a lemon law claim. Some states, like California, they're a little more lax with the laws. You don't have to make a lemon law claim within the first year, for example, of owning the vehicle, like Nevada requires. So again, what you want to do, if you have a lemon law claim, you want to make sure you're calling an attorney in the state where you purchased the vehicle. You may be residing in Nevada. If you purchase your vehicle in California, you want to make sure you go to a California lemon law attorney because that's where you purchase your vehicle. On the same token, if you bought your car in Nevada and you live in California, the right lemon law attorney will be the one in Nevada. If you have questions, if you're located in California and want to speak to a California lemon law attorney, reach out to us. I'll be happy to help you out.